Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about second unit of compulsory English from grade 11. Let's get started with the topic. The topic is free writing, and this free writing is written by Peter Elbow, who is a well-known American professor and educator. And his purpose of writing this article is to give instructions for letter writing. According to the writer, he says that trying to get everything just right in the beginning is a formula for failure. Okay? That means if you want everything correct in the very beginning, it is a failure because you cannot get everything correct. There will certainly be certain flaws, certain weaknesses. You have to try and try. In the same way, you have to write. You have to keep on writing and writing. Therefore, he has said, trying to get everything just right in the beginning is a formula for failure, the author claims. Writers should focus on writing without any interruption. Without any interruption, writers go on writing. Later, can look for some mistakes while writing. And he says that accordingly, people should exercise writing simply by writing without a break, without looking back, without passing something out, and without wondering how to spell something right. That means whatever comes in my mind, whatever comes in your mind, write down. And if that is a blunder, you can correct later. Keep on writing without hesitation. And thus, rewriting is about editing and should make writing explode. It means you have to go on writing continuously, and this will certainly help you writing effectively. Elbow also argues that most writers constantly try to correct their grammar and spelling during the writing process. It is not so good because it hinders your writing. This habit derives for the author from schooling. Since then, many are obsessed with their mistakes. It means they are always looking for their mistakes. They are not going ahead. This is a main problem. Therefore, go ahead in the writing process. Keep on writing. Okay? And there is a problem is learners getting nervous and jumpy if they concentrate all the time on their mistakes. Certainly, if they concentrate only on mistake, they will be frightened. Right. They can't write properly. Therefore, mistakes should be overlooked. Only look at the goal. That doesn't mean that you have to write under. You can correct later on if there are such mistakes. Okay. Nevertheless, editing itself is not the problem. The problem is that people editing at the same time as they write. Okay. Okay. There should be edit or editing. There is language variable. Okay. Nevertheless, editing itself is not the problem. The problem is that people edit at the same time as they write. And he says that, on the contrary, when somebody is speaking, he has no time for editing at all because he has to speak fluently. While writing, he has enough time, and that time makes us mistake because we think about mistakes only. Okay. For the author, speaking is easier and not so heavy as writing, and he encourages the reader to think on an occasion where the reader gave a good speech. Okay. Encourage writing. He says that you have to think when you gave good speech. For that speech, you hesitated first. Later on, that speech became good. And in the same way, while beginning writing, there may be some problem or hesitation, but if you continue writing, it would be certainly good. Okay, this is written here. Talbot assumes that beginning of such a speech was seldom just right. With the ongoing speaking, it ended up well. Okay, this is the point. Next. Finally, the author mentions an inner voice, a voice with its own sound, texture, and rhythm, and this voice makes people listen. That means you have to write whatever is in your mind. Don't become showy or don't imitate others. Whatever is in your mind, you can write freely in free writing. If you write whatever it is in your mind, certainly it would give some sense. Okay? And for good writing, people have to transform the voice into words, and that would be practice with rewriting. If you transform voice into words, your thought into words, it would be good writing. And at last, it concludes that writings are vacuum into which we will gradually transform our voice, force, effectiveness from our regular writing. Okay? If you keep on practicing writing freely, certainly you will get some standard of writer and you will write the article. This is the viewpoint of the Sir Peter Elbow, and it works well if you try. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.